What's up guys, I am Marino and welcome back to second video of Marino FET. First of all, I want to thank all those 120 subscribers and you guys are really great. And to me personally, subscribers in the starting phase of this channel are always special, and also sorry guys that I wasn't able to upload any videos for last 1 month as I got hooked up with my work and I was quite busy. But now I have decided to upload videos weekly and that will be done for sure. And now getting into the topic, PUBG is gonna have a comeback in India within few couple of days more sooner, as PUBG Corporation has settled off on winding up with all process to release the ban in India. And usually, Indian government has turned around saying no to PUBG, as Indian Ministry of Information and Technology has banned 118 Chinese apps including PUBG under Section 16A, and that's Information and Technology Act. And this was made into a public announcement on 2nd of September 2020. And now today I'll be speaking about PUBG's comeback and how PUBG was banned and all problems arised after PUBG's ban, how Indian government and PUBG Corporation are going to solve all those problems, and also some other pretty cool details like the company that owns PUBG and Tencent, how Tencent is related to PUBG, and also some other particulars like number of users in India and total net revenue earned out of India by PUBG Corporation and stuffs. And by watching this video, you will get all answers to all of your questions, and I mark my words, you will get a clear idea about PUBG by watching this video. And if you guys are new here, hit the subscribe to have touch with future videos of this channel. And now let's go. Is PUBG Mobile belongs to Chinese company is the common question raised by most of the people right now. PUBG is the online multiplayer battle royale game developed by South Korean company PUBG Corporation, and PUBG Corporation comes under the other big company, and that's Bluehole. PUBG Corporation has developed and published PUBG in various versions, and that's like for PC, for Xbox, for PlayStation, and finally in mobile. And obviously the mobile version is the one that was banned in India, and now also Indian government has removed PUBG from Google Play Store and from Apple App Store, and right now we can download that. But if we have in our mobile right now, we can still play because server access is still on for Indian region. And now coming back to the point about Tencent. Tencent is the Chinese multinational company and it owns 10% stake in PUBG's parent company Bluehole. And that's because Tencent has developed two different versions for PUBG Mobile, and the first version is Battle Army, and that's basically known as Korean version, and it's supported by low-end mobiles, and that doesn't have a global version. And it was developed by Timmy Studio, and that comes under Tencent, obviously like similar to the PUBG Corporation comes under Bluehole. And the other version is Exhilarating Battlefield, and that's the global version, and that's acquire little high-end mobile as it has high level graphics and also some other smooth play and some other good features. And it was developed by Lightspeed and Quantum, and also this also comes under Tencent. And this version is the global version which we are all playing right now with high graphics, and especially this supports smooth gameplay, but it will acquire high-end mobiles. PUBG Mobile was developed for Asian market by Tencent and it was introduced into Asian market, particularly in India as well as China, and finally got super hit all over the world among all the video games. And though Tencent developed PUBG Mobile, intellectual property is owned by Korean company PUBG Corporation, as the whole concept is theirs. And guys, now I think you would have gotten clear idea about how Tencent is related to PUBG. And yeah, this is the only reason why PUBG Mobile was banned in India, as PUBG Corporation has ties with Tencent. And Indian government stated that individuals' data is being collected through Chinese server and they may misuse those data at any point against India. And so in terms of security concern, India has banned PUBG. And the other important matter is India is one of the top contributed country to PUBG. And guys, when I came to know this information for the first time, I was really shocked. And that's total download rate of PUBG in India is 185 million, and there are 33 million active users in India. And also PUBG's revenue out of Indian market is over $1.8 billion, So PUBG Corporation really don't want to lose their contribution in India. And also the other point is how people who are playing PUBG are really worried, as PUBG Mobile was a pool of recreation to bring their stress low. And even guys, I used to play PUBG, I used to hang on with friends in PUBG in the weekend, and if you're this kind of person, we can manage somehow. But for the people who have invested money in PUBG for getting Royal Pass and skin, it's really great loss for them. And to solve this two major problems, the one is PUBG Corporation don't want to lose their contribution in India, and the other is about users' investment. So PUBG Corporation took a quick decision on breaking ties with Tencent with their mobile franchise in India. And this was made as a public announcement by PUBG Corporation on 8th of September 2020. And finally, Entracker has sent queries to PUBG Corporation regarding how taking control over Tencent games can impact data security in India. And the discussion is going on. And PUBG Mobile will be back soon after the discussion. And you know guys, as PUBG Corporation has break ties with Tencent and has solved the issue that Indian government had. And also now the Tencent is the only company that will suffer loss, and according to Meglio report, it clearly says that Tencent's stake is reduced up to 2%. And though we users were screwed up away from PUBG, we have still got access to play PUBG. And the only thing is we are unable to update PUBG for season 15, which has begun on September 15, 2020. But within few days, PUBG Mobile will be available in Google Play Store and Apple App Store, as PUBG Corporation has cleared the way to release the ban in India. And that's absolutely incredible, and you all guys can update your PUBG Mobile soon. And that's all about PUBG. And most of you have raised questions, particularly my friends, and I have decided to do another video on answering all those questions. And also I'll be speaking about how I got here in YouTube. And I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and if that's so, like this video, and of course comment below about what you want me to talk in next video. And I will see you in another video, and until that, goodbye guys.